The net effect of this, honourable members, is that the motion is lost.
With 174 members, obviously we were not going to have a vote. But we know, and we are saying loudly now that we know the leader of majority, who is the owner of this bill, was not committed.
Yes! We are sending this very clear message. There is not going to be any referendum until we have honored what was in the Constitution of 2010. We are not going to go to any elections unless we have met the threshold or the two-thirds gender root and what the Constitution had said.
It is such a big shame that Kenya has remained behind when it comes to voting for this affirmative action. It is not right, but that is what we got today.
But this thing has been lost because of male chauvinism, deeply entrenched. What I want to remind fellow men is that you need to remember and think of two things. You are the son of a woman.